Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is about the bevel effect on like text or anything. But I don't ever get to use it because as laser engraver, this just probably wouldn't work. But all you do is take a text, make it bold, or a big text like this is Arial Black. I made it yellow just so it'll kind of stand up. There's two ways to get this. Go to Effects and Bevel, which I every once in a while inadvertently hit it instead of blend. And I'm going to do a soft edge. I'm not going to play with the distance. I'm just going to hit apply. And look at that. I mean, for a printer, that would be pretty cool. Let's back up here. There's other things you could do. You could change the depth to like 0.5 and you get a completely different look. It's a lot thinner. Let's go back here and turn it back to 0.1. Just get a little bit of a bevel. You can, I should have made a bunch of examples. It's called emboss, but I'm not really a big fan of that unless you change some colors and, did it like in black. That's kind of like a shadow effect, but it's almost like three shadow. It actually made the inside of the letters tan colored. Like I said, I'm not really too familiar with all this stuff just because I don't use it. But I have beveled some letters before. So if you go soft edge and from the center, hit apply and you get even more radical. But if you do it just off the distance, and I think default's like 0.25, and if you did that, that really looks like a router went in there with a CNC router and routed out the letters and put a bevel on them. I'm sure there's many more objects you could bevel if you play around with it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.